Guys, before we dive in, make sure to subscribe because I share easy YouTube hacks like this all the time. Trust me, it saves a lot of scrolling. Today, I'm going to show you how to always play YouTube video in a high quality like 180 pixels or even 4K. So first, open your YouTube app. Now, tap on the profile icon on the right corner, top right corner. Now, go to settings. And here now tap on the video quality preferences. Okay, now here you will see options for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now set both to higher picture quality. This way YouTube will automatically try to play videos in SD whenever possible. No more squinting at blurry videos. Trust me, your eye will thank me. and if you want to smoother streaming without SD lag, remember you can also adjust manual per video in the quality settings. That's it guys, your YouTube video is now high definition ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.